Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use built-in file manager on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Search for My Files, and in here you have your images, your video, audio file, documents, downloads, installed files, etc. Here you have storage, for example, internal storage. You can see how many space are left. You can sign into your Google Drive and link it in here. And you have even the recycle bin, and here you can manage storage. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.